In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no sound problem in Windows 11. We've all been there, ready to enjoy a movie or dive into a meeting, and suddenly, there's no sound. It's frustrating, but don't worry. I've got you covered with a quick fix that you can apply in just about 5 minutes. Let's start by navigating to the search bar, usually located at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. Type in Services. This feature allows you to manage all the services running on your system. After typing, you should see an option or app titled Services. Go ahead and click on that to open the Services Management console. Once inside, you'll see a list of services running on your Windows machine. What you're looking for next is the Windows Audio service. These services are listed alphabetically, so you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Take your time and make sure you are selecting the correct service, because the names can sometimes be quite similar. Now, click on Windows Audio to open its properties. In the Properties window, one of the first things we want to ensure is that the startup type is set to Automatic. This will ensure the audio service starts up every time your computer does, without you having to manually prompt it. If it's not already set to Automatic, you can easily change it by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting Automatic. Next, you'll want to check that the service status is set to Running. This is crucial because if the service isn't currently running, the audio won't either. If it's not running, you'll need to click on the Start button within that same window to kickstart the service. Once you've verified or changed these settings, don't forget to click Apply and then OK to save your changes and exit the Properties window. This is an important step to ensure your adjustments take effect. If sound is still not coming through, there's another step you can take. Go back to the settings on your computer. From there, navigate to Windows Update. It's important to ensure your system is up to date, as sometimes these sound issues can be resolved with the latest patches from Microsoft. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer if prompted, and then check your audio again. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have your sound back and running smoothly on Windows 11. It's always a good idea to ensure your services are running correctly and your system is updated, as these are often the root causes of a variety of issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps resolve any sound issues you are experiencing.